Hey YouTubians, it's Tony here from We Try Anything, the channel that literally tries anything and brings out anything to you in the shape of a review. What we've got today, we've got the Lenovo Tab 3 Essential 7-inch Android tablet which has 8GB of storage. And what we thought we'd do is, we've already unboxed it just to try it out and see what it's like. So we just packed it all back together and we thought we'd just get you to have a quick look at it, box, and see what you get within the box. So here we go, just a quick unboxing. As you can see here, I now have a tripod, so it's all lovely jubbly and nice and stable. So as you see here, this is the tablet. I'll just move the box out of the way. The 7-inch tablet here, which is... we've gone for the blue one, and as you can see it's quite a nice vivid blue, and there's your little camera there on the rear view camera there. And yeah, it's a nice, quite handy sized tablet. This was you can purchase this either from Argos or from the likes of Amazon or eBay. We got this one from Argos, but if I just move that aside, as you can see here, this is what you get within the actual tablet. You get your 3-pin plug, which has a USB element to it there, and if I open the packaging here, you've got all your details and warranty malarkey going on there, and you've got that all important USB charging cable just here. Right, let's all pack it up, back up, and then let's start having a look at the tablet. Right, as you can see here, this is the actual tablet itself. It's 7 inches in size, or if you want to equate that to a height of 19 centimeters with a width of 11.3 centimeters, based on the Argos website. It has got quite large bezels going around it. You got your front camera there with the speaker there, and also around the kind of input-output elements, you've got your, if it'll focus in, you've got your headphone jack there, which again is becoming rarer and rarer as we head towards the middle of, the early part of 2018. We've got the charging port there, which is your USB, and if I open this little tab here, you've got your micro SD card fitting just there. Right. Also, just to add, if I can just get this thing to focus, what you've got there is just your microphone here. Right, I'll just pop it down, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to boot it up, and you can see how long it takes to boot up. Now, while this is booting up, I just thought I'd tell you it's got a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, which is based on the MT8127 quad-core. It has a gigabyte of internal RAM. It has an internal storage capacity of 8 GB, as I've mentioned in the title, but you do get that micro SD memory card slot. Front-facing camera is based on a 0.3 megapixel camera, and rear-facing has a 2 megapixel camera. As I've said, it has a built-in speaker with webcam, and it is Wi-Fi enabled. It does support Bluetooth connection to Bluetooth devices, and it also has that 3.5 stereo headphone jack. Now, battery life, in terms of how long this stays on for, it is a 8-hour battery life, but again, that depends on usage, and when I've used it, I haven't got 8 hours out of it. I have got a fairly lengthy amount of time, but it's not, again, it might be just conditioning of the battery, but I didn't find it at 8 hours. Thickness is about 8.9 millimeters thin, and it does have, it's quite a light, sturdy kind of tablet, but the claimed weight of it is 300 grams. Right then, as you can see here, I have actually kind of fired up the unit. I have popped in my password here, and I've been reading certain reviews online about the actual how quick it reacts, or how quick the actual touch works on the glass, as it were, and I've had really no problems. I mean, I'm just using the camera here. I'm sorry about the actual glare, but I found it quite responsive, and I haven't had any problems. Let me just get past that. I haven't had really any problems with the actual glass and how it works. I have read on Argos and the likes of Amazon and stuff that some people have had an issue with the actual how this kind of works with people's fingers, but I just haven't had an issue with it at all. If I fire up YouTube, and you can just see how quick it kind of loads up, and there we are. Yeah, as I say, it's not too shabby. I mean, the Wi-Fi signal in where I'm filming this at the minute isn't brilliant because it's quite far away from where the actual router is, or the actual Wi-Fi router, and I'm still getting quite a bit of signal there. So the actual Wi-Fi part of it works really well. If I just fire up one of my reviews that I've done before, and if I say give that a whirl and just try it, and just twist it around. Hey YouTube, this is Tony here from We Try Anything, the channel that literally reviews anything and brings out anything to you in the shape
I'll just zoom in a little, just to...
What we got today is a USB surge protected plug. The reason why we're looking at this today, because
So as you can see there, the speakers aren't too bad, or speaker, and the actual resolution of the screen, or for the actual resolution of the screen isn't too bad either.
What I will say as an aside is that the actual resolution of the screen is 1024 by 600 pixels, which means it isn't really HD. So if you are used to watching something on a HD device, you might find this as a bit of a kind of step down. But otherwise, as I say, for kind of YouTube and a bit of Netflix, it's not too bad if you can just put up with the non-HD display.
Now, the way I look at this device is that I tend to use it for consuming media, really. I've kind of just, the only apps I tend to have on here really tend to be Netflix, Netflix, YouTube, or anything of that ilk. I don't really use it for gaming. I do use it to read emails and obviously set up calendar events and stuff like that, but for what I use it for, I think it's more than adequate. And for the price point, I think it is around the £50 mark on Argos, and for the £70 mark on Amazon. I just think it's it's a device worthy of kind of contemplating if you are thinking about using something like this. So I hope you like this kind of mini review, and if you've got any comments that you want to leave, then please leave them in the section below. I hope you like this video, and if you want to subscribe to more review videos of this type, then please hit that subscribe button now, and I hope you like what you see. Have a good day, and speak to you soon. Goodbye.